Our next point is bullets and numberings. Bullet is a dot or a symbol that marks an important lines of informations, whereas numbering is used for listing the order of item. For example, the student list, which needs to be arranged in orderly. Let us see to insert bullets and numbering. For inserting a bullet, step 1, select the text where you want to insert the bullets. Step 2, under the paragraph group, click the bullet drop down arrow where you can see a number of options for inserting the bullets. Step 4, inserting a numbering. Select the text. Step 2, under the paragraph group, click the numbering drop down arrow where you can see a number of options for entering the numbers. Let us follow the steps to insert bullets and numbering. So the first thing you have to do is that to select the text. So let me select these points. Now we can get that bullets under the paragraph group, which is here on top. And when you move on the top, when you keep the mouse here, you can see that it's written there bullets. So under that arrow, when you click it there, you can see those are the different options you can get under the bullets. So let me select any one option from the list. So let me click it here, and you can see that for each point the bullets will come up here. So this is how we insert the bullets. Or you want to change the bullets, so what you can do is just select the text again, go to the bullets again, change the different bullets. So you can see the bullets is changed here. Now same process we have to follow for the numbering. So I've selected the text here. After the bullets, in the very next you can find the numbering is there. Just click at the arrow there. So you can see that there are different types of numbering are here. The first you can see is 1 to 3, and second is 1 to 3 with the bracket, and third you can see the Roman 1 to 3, or we can see the ABC. Let me select the first option. This is 1 to 3. So you can see there the numbering come automatically for each line. So one thing is with this numbering is that suppose you want to continue from the last number, so you just press enter key, the next number will come up automatically by itself. So same thing also apply for the bullets. Our next point is inserting a symbol. Symbol are sign or special character that can be inserted in a Word document. These symbols are just like a regular text. We cannot find all the symbols in a keyboard. So almost all the symbols are available under this symbol options under Microsoft Word. Let's see the steps to insert symbols. Step 1, click at Insert tab. Step 2, in the symbol group, click the symbol options. Step 3, click at More Symbol. A list of symbols will appear, and click at the symbol which you are looking for. Then step 4, click at the Insert button. Let us learn here how to insert symbol. I've given you some example. Find 10 divided by 5 in a triangle ABC, rupees 100 per kg, A not equal CD. Now let's see here how to insert symbol here. Say for example, to find 10 divided by 5, so instead of this slash I can use the division symbol, and the division symbol is not available in the keyboard. So you can go to the Insert menu, then go to the symbol which is under the symbol group and click for More Symbol, or you can find here the more recently used symbol. So here I go to here, more recently used symbols there, so you can just click there or go to the More Symbols. So you can find here more symbol will be there, so you can scroll up and down to find the symbol. So I can see here, I can find here that the division symbol is here. Just click here and click at Insert and close it. So you can see here the division symbol come up here. So I can type here 10 divided by 5. Next you can see in a triangle ABC. For example, in a triangle I can use a symbol of a triangle. So let's go here in the symbol again. So I can see here more recently used. So, or you can go to the More Symbol. So you can find here there's a symbol triangle here. So click at a triangle symbol and click it insert and close it. You can find the triangle come up here, then you can type ABC. Next we can see rupees 100 per kg. So in place of rupees I can add here the rupees symbol. So you can go to the insert, symbol, more symbol, then here you can see the rupees symbol is there. Just click at the symbol and click insert, click close. So you can see the rupees symbol will come up and you can type on 100 per kg. Next we can see is standard AB not equal CD. So here we are looking for the symbol which is not equal to. So we can click at the insert, symbol, we can also find lots of symbols used in the mathematics and science. Some of the examples are right, beta, ohms, pi, greater than or equal to, smaller than or equal to. Our next point is table. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Tables are useful for various tasks such as presenting text information and numerical data. In words, you can create a blank table, convert text to a table, and apply varieties of styles and formats to existing table. Let us see the steps to insert a table. Step 1. Click at the Insert tab. Step 2. Click at the Table options under the Table group. Step 3. Click at the Table grid and move around the box. Each box will represent one column, and drag it down to get the number of rows. Drag it and click the mouse. Now let us see how to insert a table. So click at the Insert menu, then under the Table group, table is there, click at the Table option, and you can see here that if I select one box, you can see there one column is there. So if I move the mouse towards the right side, now two columns come up. If I drag one more mouse towards the right side, three columns here. If I move the mouse downwards, I can get two rows. Keep on move the mouse down, I get three. Then one more, I get four. So I need here three columns and four rows. Just click the mouse there. Now I got a table here with 1, 2, 3 columns and with 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Now we got a table here. Now we can start entering the data. Let's say the first column is used for roll numbers. Then the next column is for names. And let's say the third column names for class. The measurement of all the columns are same here. Now we can adjust those columns just by moving the mouse in the line. So when you move the mouse in that table line, you can see that mouse will change into the arrow right and left. So you can just click and drag the mouse and place the mouse wherever is required. So you can just click and enter there the roll number. Next you can just click at the names and type the names, say Ram, and click at the class, then type it there class 9. So in this way we can create a table and enter the data in Microsoft Word Office.
Thank you all for watching this video, and we'll continue the second part of this chapter in my next video. So keep watching, stay home, stay safe.